Hi there. In this session, I would like to tell you about JavaScript document object properties. You know about document object mode DOM. I think that you may heard about DOM, but here I would like to tell you document object properties, not yet DOM. Okay, so what are these document object properties? So here you can see if you want to print out any kind of text here in this JavaScript, you need to write one document dot write method. So it is called as document dot write method. This is a method. So what we need to do is we have to put some content over here, open close brackets. Then if you want to print some content at console, then it would be console.log. You need to use this console.log method to get to put some to see the preview of the text, and as well as there is a browser object model is there. It is called as BOM, browser object model. And here you can see for that we need to use alert method to get some browser related alerts. These are the document object properties. Even this document.write had some more properties also, and console.log had some more properties, as well as this browser object model had some more property. Later we can discuss about all these things. First we will have a look about these methods, how they will work. Here you can see I will select one root folder for this one, and here you can see they it seems to be like this. This is my VS Code. I go with the Visual Studio Code editor. I will take new document known as document object property dot html. We have to define that HTML only. I will go with HTML5 starter template. Here you can see this is starter template. I will enable this one and I will disable this one. We have to define some script HTML5 tag to define JavaScript script here in this document. For that I will take a script tag only. So here you can see it had some open tag and close tag also. And here you can see there what I would like to do is I want to print some output here in this browser with the help of document object property by assigning some by using some methods. So here you can see. So what we need to do is document dot write method. We have to use this document dot write method. So this is Java SSCRI. So sorry. And what we need to do is we have to take double quotates in between this open close curly braces. So this is JavaScript. So here you can see this is JavaScript, and I save this document. As usual, what I will do is I will open this preview in new browser. Now we can see it seems to be like this. This is JavaScript. Remember, I assigned this JavaScript text above closing heading tag only. But here in your browser, we can see it came like this. Means it is having in body only, body tag only. So what will happen? Here in this body open close tag closing body tag, we couldn't define any kind of text over here. We defined in between header tag only, but we can render that object into this body tag. It means it is having like this. We mentioned we took this document dot write method. In the sense document dot write, in the sense it will write there in that document. Document in the sense body is only the document. Even in JavaScript, we can define each and every tag as a node. Later we can discuss about that one also. And I would like to show this text, whatever I defined here in this document that writer wants to show there in that console. For that, how we have to define that one. So what I will do is I will close this comment out this one by hitting control backslash in VS Code. After I would like to use console.log. So if I use this method to define some text, then it will print this text here in this console. Let's have a look. What I will do is this is JavaScript in console. So here we can see, I saved this one. Here we couldn't see that output because we comment out that document dot write. So we can't able to find out that one. And to see the console output, we have to select this in inspector. There in that we can see there is a console option is there. Here you can see that output. So console is one of the command. So use it to execute some methods and events there in that console view. Console we can consider as it is a database related platform. So what I will do is I will comment out this one also, because I don't want to see this output in console, but I want to see there in this browser object model known as alert method. So what I will do is I will select alert method. Here you can see how we have to define that alert method. This is alert. I will hit some double quotes, and this is JavaScript alert. So here we can see this is only the method we have to define to alert our browser. So we can see it will always considers and renders this output there in that browser only. So this is a browser object. You can see there is a, this is JavaScript alert. Without hitting any kind of button, we can able to see after hitting this refresh button, we can see each and every refresh will execute this alert button. But because this is a browser, so it will render on browser only like this. This is one of the commonly used method here in this JavaScript. It is having in this browser object model, and browser object model had different kinds of properties also. We will discuss about this one in next session. These are the main document object properties can declare some value here in these methods and objects. Thank you.